Tim Walsh, and I own and operate Premier Hardwood Floors and Contracting. We're a Baltimore-based firm. We do most of our business within a 45-minute drive of downtown Baltimore. So that includes Baltimore City and the surrounding counties like Baltimore County, Anne Arundel County, Harford County, Carroll County, and Howard County. As the owner of my company, you can be assured that you're going to deal with me directly. Our attention to the details of your flooring project ensures that you will get a first-rate job and you'll be completely satisfied. My crew chiefs and technicians have many years of experience that not only enables us to produce repeatable, high-quality results in a timely fashion, but it also allows us to deal with the unexpected.
And the end result is just absolutely stunning. That's all I can say. He did a beautiful job.